Welcome to a journey through time. In this video, we'll dive into the incredible story of life on Earth, exploring how it began, the major changes it underwent, and the amazing diversity we see today. From single-celled beginnings to complex creatures, the evolution of life is a story of adaptation, survival, and endless possibilities. Get ready to explore the mysteries and marvels of life's evolution, a story that ultimately leads to us. Imagine Earth billions of years ago. A planet wrapped in swirling clouds and dominated by intense volcanic activity. The air was thick with gases we would struggle to breathe, and no life as we know it existed. Oceans formed, stretching out under dark, storm-filled skies, their surfaces endlessly battered by the powerful impacts of meteors and lightning. Within this primordial world, however, lay the building blocks of life. Amid the harsh conditions, deep within the oceans or along steamy shores, the first molecules started to arrange themselves in unique ways, forming the earliest precursors to life. These were single-celled organisms, small and simple yet capable of reproducing themselves. A trait that would spark the epic evolutionary journey of life on Earth. At first, these early cells thrived in environments that might seem inhospitable to us today. They didn't need oxygen, as the atmosphere had little to offer. Instead, these ancient organisms relied on chemical reactions involving sulfur and other elements available in their surroundings. Over millions of years, they multiplied, spread, and formed communities within Earth's waters. Slowly, some of these cells began to develop the ability to harness the sun's energy. A groundbreaking advancement that led to the process we call photosynthesis. As they absorbed sunlight, they started releasing oxygen as a byproduct, gradually transforming Earth's atmosphere. The rise in atmospheric oxygen marked one of the most significant shifts in Earth's history. Known as the Great Oxygenation Event, this increase in oxygen provided the foundation for new forms of life to evolve. Yet, it also posed a major challenge for the existing organisms, many of whom found oxygen toxic. Over time, only those able to adapt to the new oxygen-rich conditions could survive. This adaptability laid the groundwork for the evolution of complex life forms. Cells began to work together, forming multicellular organisms. No longer limited to individual survival, cells could now specialize, each taking on unique roles within a larger organism. This innovation allowed life to evolve into more complex structures, leading to the development of creatures with different tissues, organs, and systems. As time passed, life flourished in Earth's oceans. The diversity of species expanded, with organisms adapting to various environments and finding new ways to survive and thrive. Simple worms, soft-bodied creatures, and early versions of sponges populated the seafloor, while tiny plankton filled the waters above. The Cambrian Explosion, a period that took place around 541 million years ago, marked an extraordinary leap in biodiversity. Within a relatively short span of time, Earth saw the emergence of an astounding array of life forms, including many that resembled species we know today. This period brought forth the ancestors of modern-day fish, arthropods, and even early relatives of vertebrates. Over millions of years, life's journey continued, with creatures adapting to the changing conditions of Earth's oceans and gradually venturing into new environments. Some organisms developed shells, fins, and other features that allowed them to navigate and defend themselves, while others remained simple but highly specialized in their own way. At one point, certain life forms ventured out of the water, exploring the shallow shores and tidal zones. Plants made the initial journey onto land. Their structures adapted to withstand gravity and sunlight exposure. As the land became more hospitable, animals followed. Amphibians, descendants of fish, were among the first to venture onto dry land, where they could escape some of the predators found in the ocean. Earth's ecosystems on land transformed as plants and animals established themselves in these new environments. Forests of giant ferns and mosses covered the land, creating habitats that would support a diverse range of species. Reptiles evolved from early amphibians, developing tougher skin and the ability to lay eggs on land. These adaptations allowed them to survive in drier areas, further expanding the range of ecosystems on Earth. Eventually, the age of the dinosaurs dawned, spanning millions of years and giving rise to a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and species. Dinosaurs dominated Earth's landscapes, from lush forests to arid plains, leaving their mark on nearly every corner of the planet. Their success was unmatched, but as history would have it, their reign would not last forever. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event, a massive asteroid impact, led to the extinction of most dinosaur species, marking the end of an era and paving the way for new forms of life to rise in their place. The extinction of the dinosaurs created opportunities for mammals, a group that had mostly lived in the shadows during the age of the dinosaurs. With large predators gone, mammals diversified rapidly, filling the vacant ecological niches. Some mammals returned to the water, evolving into creatures like whales and dolphins. Others adapted to life in trees, developing features that would eventually give rise to primates, our own distant ancestors. The evolution of primates brought with it the development of higher intelligence, complex social structures, and the eventual rise of the human species. The journey of life on Earth is one of remarkable transformation and adaptation. Every species, including us, is part of an intricate web of life that has evolved over billions of years, shaped by chance events, environmental changes, and the drive to survive. Evolution continues today, as species adapt to their surroundings, finding new ways to thrive and contributing to the ever-changing story of life on Earth. From the depths of the oceans to the heights of mountain ranges, life has spread across every habitat, each adaptation a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life itself. This journey has been one of survival, creativity, and transformation, a journey that we continue to learn from as we explore our planet and our place within it.